The main symptom of lumbar lordosis is the forward deformity of the lower back, which looks like the letter C when viewed from the side. Difficulty moving in the lumbar region of the spine can sometimes be a symptom of lumbar lordosis. Lower back pain can occur in people with lordosis when the spinal cord or nerve roots are compressed. Pain in the legs may be a symptom of lumbar lordosis. It occurs due to compression of nerves, which extend into the legs through the lumbar portion of the spine. Besides pain, lumbar lordosis can cause weakness, numbness, and cramping in the buttocks, legs, or feet. These conditions arise due to nerve compression too. In very rare cases, when lumbar lordosis causes compression of the spinal cord, bowel and bladder incontinence may occur. Please send us your emails to ask@age2b.com. We read every email and every text.